Alright, this is what I do. I buy vintage guitars, broken guitars. I fix them and I sell them. This one I just finished, actually 2 weeks ago. I finished this one. This is a K dot. No, no, actually not a dot. So, anyways, this guitar used to look like that one over there. So I restored it. Um, there's the things I did. I had to lower this nut. It was too high, so the action here was too high. I polished all the frets and I um, leveled them. Then I took this bridge and I put a bone saddle on it. We used to have one of these frets here. With a bone saddle, you could adjust the high and low here. Also, this piece I had to center it because it was too far that way. So I had to move it this way. So weird. Shit. Yeah, this screw was parallel to this button, so I had to move it that way that much. 3/8 at least. And the biggest problem that I had, it was a sunken belly. These strings push the belly down, and because of that, they had to shim the neck over here on the front to tilt the neck forward because this is too far down. So I fixed that by putting wet sponges in there for a week. Then I put a clamp and I pulled the belly up higher, a little bit higher than flat. And then I took the sponges out and I started using a hair dryer. I put air in there to dry the wood back. So now the wood gets the moisture. So now I want to get the moisture out so the wood stays where I need it to be. And boy, that worked. Now the neck has no shims and it's just perfect. I set up the intonation on these two and it's amazing. All of them are intonated. That is so cool. And then, yeah, because usually that don't happen. You could intonate this one and this one, and then this, the middle might be a little off, but this is just perfect. Got the acoustic ruler here. Is the string height, fret 12. It's even lower than this ruler recommend. So awesome. So also I did the finish, obviously. You can see how shiny it is and smooth. What I did is I bought 4 cans of lacquer from Rust-Oleum, lacquer clear, and from Home Depot actually. You can see how nice it came, the finish. Got my finger smudges here and there, but so what I did is I gave it close to 40, I think it was like 37 coats of the clear, and then I sanded it with 800 grit. Then I went to 1000, 1500, 2000, 25, and then I went to 3000, and then I polished it with these from Amazon, heavy cut, medium cut, and super shine, super fine. Then I had this swirl. I had this for years, car polish to remove the swirl marks. That made a big difference right after that one. And then I waxed it. That's how I ended up with a guitar that looks like just came out of the store, just about. So now this one is off the operating table. got a bolt-on neck. This one is a made in USA K. So now we gotta put another one on the operating table. I'm gonna make a video of it. So I'm gonna start with this one. I wanna make this one look like that one. It's gonna end up looking like new. And this one, just Domino Japanese. So I'm gonna make a video of this one and show all the problems that it has. And then I'll make a video of fixing it, and I have another one here back there, Janini. I'm gonna make a video of that one too. That's a cool guitar from Brazil. And I have many others, but I don't have them here. I have them at my house. This is my son's house. So anyways, put a like, and if you like this kind of video, subscribe so you could see all these guitars that I pick up on the marketplace, and I restore them. It's kind of like an adventure. Go out there and grab them, bring them home and fix them. Not make a lot of money because these guitars are, you know, catalog guitars and beginner guitars, but I fix them anyway. I do the neck reset and the belly. So anyway, see you on the next one.